Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Junhan. Now today you join me at Hura Motorsports here in Jenjarum because they recently moved into this new space right here. So they're the authorized Mazda dealer and also service center. You can see it right beside me. So yeah, they recently moved in here and it's absolutely huge. And today they kindly allowed me and even arranged everything, washed the car and everything for me to film a car that I wanted to film for a very long time. And yes, that is the 2020 Mazda 3 Hatchback. And here is it guys, so this is the 2020 Mazda 3 Liftback. They don't call it the hatchback, they call it the Liftback 2-liter high plus. So this is the top of the range variant. It just looks absolutely beautiful, right? Especially in this solid crystal. Yep, so this car, I gotta say, is actually one of the best, or if not the best looking hatchback ever for the price range of below 160k. Just look at it. Now Mazda has been increasing in demand in recent years because of for the price you're paying for below 160k, you're getting such a luxurious interior, which I'll get into later, and also a very beautiful and elegant exterior. So yeah, people even say after BMW, Audi and Mercedes, what comes next would be Mazda, because that's how good Mazda is. Now what's really cool about Mazda is that they live by the 4 character words which call Jimba Itai. So that is basically the connection between the horse and the rider. So they say that they believe both of them must work together as one for it to be perfect. So same for this car as well, the same principle applies. So the car and the vehicle must be together as one for you to feel the best, so you feel connected. Yep, so yeah, that's what makes Mazda so unique and why now a lot of people like it. Okay, now let's talk about the exterior design of the Mazda 3 hatchback itself. So firstly, up front, just look at it. It looks so brutal and so aggressive, like a sports car. So yeah, one thing I like about it is how we make it so sporty, right? Is you look from the side, you can see the hood is actually very long and very low. So it makes this car very sporty, especially you look from the side right here. You can see the front overhang after the front wheel arch, it sticks out a lot. Yeah, very aggressive. And another thing that makes it so aggressive, right, is the headlights itself. You can see the way it's positioned is tilted like this way, so to make as if it's frowning. Yep, and then the headlight also is very slim. Yeah, and then you can see the LED. So yeah, you can got the projector headlights. So this one is fully LED. So this one high spec, it comes equipped with this LED combination light. So if I were to unlock the car, right, you can see it comes on. Absolutely beautiful, right? Then just check out, if I step back a bit, just look at it. It's super fierce. And then here you have this black color piece right here that goes all the way around the grille itself, finished in gloss black. Yep, and then you got this huge, very huge prominent grille. And then here you can see this logo right here. So this one is flat, so this one is not 3D, meaning this one have the Mazda iActiv Sense, which houses the adaptive radar cruise control and all the advanced safety features. They're all inside here. And one thing I like about this grille, right, because you got this piece here, you can see, I like how all this piece here, this lip that actually protrudes out from the grille itself. So you can see there's actually a hood underneath. So this one gives the car a bit more depth. And then the bottom, you can see you've got this black front splitter. And then you can see this one here, I'm not sure the camera can pick it up, but under this lighting, it looks very beautiful. You can see this line right here. So this is a contour. So the whole bodywork, it goes down and then it bends this way, which is very nice. Normal cars, right, what they do is they have another separate piece. So you got this panel gap, a panel line. This one, no. Mazda did it one whole single piece, but they molded it this way. It looks very nice, right? And then you see, you got the hood, you got this line, a very strong crease line that comes all the way towards the grille. Very beautiful. Yep, this car, the engine, is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder dual overhead cam Mazda Skyactiv engine, which produces 162 horsepower and 213 Newton meters of torque. That is mated to a 6-speed automatic Skyactiv drive transmission. And then if you have to look down here, right, so this one, the wheels, oops, there's actually a ding right there, so because this is a customer car, so yeah, don't worry about that. So this, you can see the color is finished in this very dark grey gunmetal-ish, which is very classy. This is what I like about Mazda original wheels, because it's not too dark to the point where you can't see the spokes, the design of it, and it's not too bright. This one is just nice, very classic. I love this color so much. Yep, and then now towards the side, so you can see if I were to zoom out a bit, just look at the sculpture of this. I really like how the back, right, it bends like this, and then the front is so sharp and long and pointy, it goes all the way like that. It's like extremely sporty. So yeah, then you can see you got this chrome line that goes like this just to break it up apart. You got a gloss back B pillars, yeah. And then if you see from the side, right, you can see the way it's curved. It's very nice. This one is very subtle, but you have to, if you pay close attention, right, you can see how the body actually bends out like this. It's very, very beautiful. And then you got this very thick rear haunches. You can see the C pillar is one huge single piece. So yeah, it's very, very nice. It gives it the stance, especially from this side. You can see the way it sticks out so much, right? If you go towards the back, you see how it sticks out from the side. Yeah, it really gives the car a stance and a presence when it's on the road. And then the tail lights, again, super aggressive. You can see. So this one, the outer is finished in this very tinted color. And then you can see the tail lights. Yeah, if I have to unlock it, just look at it. So nice. You got a double ring, and then inside, check out the signal. You got 4 bulbs that look super nice. Yeah, it's super aggressive. The front and the back is so nice. Yep, skyactiv-G 2 liter. Let's check out the back. Now this car, right, especially in this color, one thing I like about it is this back here, this hatch, actually if you look at from the side, right, actually curves and then it goes down like that. So in the afternoon, right, in the proper lighting, it actually gives you a contour at the back, which looks absolutely stunning. And then the bottom here, to break it apart, you have this gloss back piece right here. Yep, very nice. And then you got dual exhausts. Yeah, very beautiful. Now let's check out the boot. So the boot is actually here. So if you look underneath, there's actually a slot. You can put your hand underneath. You press, it opens up. Let's lift open the hatch. So yep, this reveals quite a amount of space. So yeah, you got a lot of space right here. And then you can push the seats down, forward. You can put a lot of stuff. So yeah, it's kind of practical. Yep. Okay, now let's close it back down. So this one got no power tailgate. To unlock the car, just put your hand behind the door handle. It detects, automatically unfolds, and then you open it up. So you're immediately greeted by a very luxurious leather interior. So everything you can see is mostly finished in leather. So this one, in comparison to the Mazda CX-30, right? The CX-30 has this contrast tan or brown leather on the top surface and on the side as well. So yeah, this one is full black. You can see the leather is very premium. It feels nice. Yep, let's sit inside. The steering wheel also is super cool. You just look at it. So yeah, you got this very sporty steering wheel. It's very slim, very nice. And then you got this bulge right here. Yeah, and then you got this chrome piece to break up apart. So everything here is mostly black, but then you got this contrast chrome piece to break apart to make it not look that boring. So yeah, very nice. And then you can see this part here is all soft leather. You can press soft leather, and then you got this contrast brown stitching. Yeah, it's very clean. It's very nice, very minimalistic. And then you can see this floating infotainment screen, right? You can see it's very thin as well. It sticks out. Yeah, very cool. Yep, and then the side right here, you got the 2 aircon vents. Yeah, if I have to start the car, right, because it's a bit hot. So let's start it up. It shows you Mazda 3. Okay, it's due for servicing soon. That's why it's here right now. But then they kindly allow me to film it. Yep. And you see the door cut as well. Again, soft leather. The stitching, very nice. Close it. Okay, turn on the AC for the moment. Okay, so you can see on the left side, you got the rev counter, the tachometer, and then the middle right here, right? So if you have to press info, you got 3 different modes to choose from. So this is the first, which shows you the graphics of your car. And then let's say if there's a car on the left, it will show you a graphics on animation on the left or right, which is very cool. And then on the right side right there, you got the water or oil temperature, and then also you got the fuel gauge. Yeah, it's very cool. Everything's very self-explanatory. So if I press info, right, so this is the first one. Second one, it shows you this. So this is like the analog one, but then this is digital, of course. And then you press one more time, it removes the needle and shows you the driving info in the center. Yeah, very cool, very nice. And then here you can see, so here you got this gloss piano black. So this one I don't really like because piano black actually attracts a lot of dust and it gets dirty very easily and a lot of scratches, like you can see right here. Oops. Yeah, and then here the 2 cup holders. This one you can actually close actually. Yep, very nice. And then this one is the control here. So let's say if I have to go back, right, go home, and here a few things you can look at. So firstly, you go to information. It shows you a fuel efficiency, monitor status, and vehicle status. Okay, then you go down, got entertainment, communication, navigation. Yeah, everything is here. So here basically tells you everything. So the in-vehicle display, yep, the active driving display. So here, if you look in front, you can see the 0 right there. Yep, this one has head-up display. Very nice. Okay, so to go back, yeah, and then here you got the dual climate zone controls. yeah, it's very easy to use. Everything is just right there. And then here you got a USB socket, right? And this one again, leather, very nice, soft leather. Like I said, everything is mostly soft leather, so it feels very premium. Okay, so this one, right, if you want to pull up, right, you can't just pull up, you have to press this, push it back first. So here you got reveal some compartment for you to put your stuff. You got the cigarette socket, then now only you can lift it up. So you can see it reveals this amount of space, you can put your stuff. Yeah, but one thing, right, this car is not convenient is that you see, if you push back, right, the rear passenger in the middle, right, will knock his leg. So yeah, it's not very nice. So this car, right, is more suitable to be a 2+2, basically 2 passenger behind, because this car is so sporty, and then the headline is also very low, which I'll get into later. Yep. Yeah, very nice. So close it back up, and yeah, I think that's about it. Just look at the cockpit view. Looks very, very beautiful. And then on top here, open up. So here you can put your sunglasses, and then you see, check out the rear view mirror. It's frameless. You can see it's very thin. There's no frame. Very beautiful. It's these tiny details that make it look very premium. Then on top here, you open up, ta-da! You got a sunroof. Very cool, very nice. And yeah, I think that's about it. Okay, for the back, if I open up, you can see the interior. Like I said, it's spacious, but then it can only fit 2 person, one here and one there. The reason for that is because you can see the central tunnel is actually very high up, and the seating position is actually quite low. So if you sit right, your knee will be very high up. So it's not convenient at all. But then still, if it's for 2 person, it'll be just nice. So yeah, but then the roof line, right, you can see, actually you can see in the middle here, it's actually low, and it actually goes all the way up. So this is for tall people to sit. So I think this one maximum lah, about 175 you can sit. I think 180 you definitely knock your head here already. So yeah, this one is not for a tall person. And then here you open up the 2 cup holders. Everything is finished in leather, soft leather. Very nice. The seats, very comfortable. Even the back right here, press on it, see, it's very soft, very cushiony. And then here you got 2 aircon vents at the back. Yeah, I think that's about it at the back. Nice. And that's about it, guys, with my quick walk around review of the Mazda 3 Liftback. Now, I'm still not used to calling it Liftback because I'm so used to calling it Hatchback. I'm not sure why they call it that, but then anyways, Mazda 3 Liftback. A huge thanks to Ashra Motorsports as well for arranging this. So they're very kind enough to actually allow me to choose what spec I want and then what color I want. Of course, I chose the highest spec, and also of course I chose the Soul Red Crystal because it's one of the nicest color on the Mazda apart from machine grey. So these 2 color, if I were to buy a Mazda, it's the only 2 color I'll choose from. Yep, it's very cool. And then they also arranged this spot right here, so they clear out all the cars right here and just park the car right here for me to film. So there's nothing obstructing me. Yeah, very kind of them. So yeah, if you're interested to purchase a Mazda, or if you have a Mazda and you want to do for servicing, you want to send it for servicing, do head down here because their facility here is very huge. And yeah, they're able to facilitate you. Their service is pretty good as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys find it informative. And yeah, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I think that's about it. With that said, I should catch you guys next time. Bye.